Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I'm dressed. I'm about to head out and run some errands. I'm going to also stop by Dollar Tree and pick up some items to make a wreath or a fall-inspired sign for my door. So stick around and watch the video. All right, everybody. So this is the assortment of flowers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I think I have about 18 bunches, total $18. Some different colors and different flowers and little pine cones and things like that, some leaves. And then I also have this wire wreath that I bought from the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm not sure if I plan on using this one or this branchy wreath I bought from Walmart for about $5. And I also have my Gorilla Glue sticks that I bought from Walmart today for about $4, and I already have my glue gun. So I'm feeling like the branch wreath will probably be a little easier for me to work with in terms of getting the flowers in there and gluing them on and having them stay versus this wire wreath. I'll play around with it, and when I make my decision and I get started, then I'll come back to you guys. All right, later. So I have this garland here from the Dollar Tree also with some leaves and a pumpkin and some little berries. I'm gonna glue that down first, and then I'll get to placing the flowers and the other leaves all around, trying to fill in the gaps. I took all of the flowers off of the stems, and I'm just gonna hot glue them into the wreath. So after I get them placed, I'll be back. All right, everybody, so this is the finished product. I used as many of the flowers and the berries and the pine cones as I could. Got one little pumpkin up in there somewhere, but I'm pretty pleased. I just used my hot glue gun, took all the flowers off the stems, filled in all the spaces. I'm gonna let it dry for a little while longer before I decide to hang it outside, and I'll upload a pic of that later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Honestly, Aisha.